Today I will be talking to you about single step conversions. I will show you the steps to do them and how to solve it. So these are the steps of solving single step conversions. First, you're going to write down the units you have. So say we have an equation that is 12 inches. You're converting 12 inches to 1 foot. And so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to write down the units you have. So in the equation I just said, we have 12 inches, and then we have a foot. A foot is what we're trying to get to. You're going to put a question mark by the unit you want. So in our case, we'll put a question mark by the feet. After that, you're going to write parentheses with the division sign in the middle, and you're going to do that so that you know that you have to put something on the numerator and the denominator. After you do that, you're going to write the number that was given to you in front of the parentheses. So in our case, it was 12. So you'll have 12, the parentheses, and then the division line. And after you do that, you're going to write down the numbers that are going to make the numerator and the denominator equal. The denominator needs to have the same units as the number in front of the parentheses. So ours was 12 inches on the outside. And then on the inside of the parentheses, you're going to need to write feet on top as the numerator, and then inches on the bottom. And you do this so that in the end, the inches will cancel out with each other, and then you'll be left with feet, which is what the question is asking for. The last step, to solve the equation, you cancel out the units like I said, and then you multiply and divide the numbers out to get the answer that you want. So we would have 1 foot on the top is equal to 12 inches on the bottom. So in ours, we have 12 inches times 1, which is still equals 12, divided by 12, which equals 1. So 1 foot equals 12 inches, and that would solve that equation. And another example that I had written out for you was convert 7 feet to an inch. So the first step, we write out the unit that we want, and then we put a question mark after it. And after that, we put the number that we were given in the equation, which is 7. We put that in front of the parentheses because that lets us know what number needs to be, or what unit needs to be in the numerator and what unit needs to be in the denominator. After that, you write down what's going to make the equation equal. So 12 inches equals 1 foot, and feet go on the bottom, inches go on the top, so that the feet will cancel out with each other. After that, you're going to multiply and divide it out. So you do 7 times 12, which is going to equal 84, and you divide that by 1, which isn't going to do anything. So the answer to this problem is 7 feet is equal to 84 inches.